Everybody thinks that when you die, the lawyer just gets the will out and reads it and says, well, Susie, you get the house, here's the keys. Billy, you get the car, here's the keys. Oh, no. It's not that simple. You see, for things to transfer through a will to get to your family, they have to go through a complicated legal process that we call probate. Probate is where the court gets involved. That sounds like a great idea, right? I mean, it's not like they tell you where your things are going to go. They just put a bunch of stupid steps in the way to making it happen. These are steps your family's not going to know how to do, so they're going to have to hire someone like me to help them with it when that time comes. And when they hire a lawyer to help them with it, what do you think that lawyer's going to do to them, folks? They're going to charge them. And it's typically an expensive fee. Most lawyers charge about 4% of what goes through that estate to get paid. It's a big legal fee, folks. Think about it. Say you die and your house is worth $250,000. Well, that means there's a $10,000 legal fee that's going to get hit on your family just to make that transaction happen. Now, I've never had a dead client complain about that yet, and the family members typically don't complain because they think it's just the cost of doing business. At that point, they're stuck. So that's why I don't think wills are all that great, all right? They leave a mess for your family, and they do nothing to protect your assets before you die. You see, life can change in an instant, folks, and I'm not trying to scare you when I mention those things, but that's the reality I live in. I live in the reality where bad things can happen to good people every day. So what we need to make sure that we have our basics covered in that regard is we have to have certain documents to make sure other people can help us if we can't do it for ourselves. So if you think it's something you want to explore, folks, and I would encourage you to talk to me about it and make sure it is or is not, you should call our office immediately and schedule a meeting. I'm not trying to scare you or make you think this is an emergency, but the truth is, everybody puts off what I do. And the time to do this is now. I appreciate you joining me here today, and I look forward to getting to know you.